we're trying the shoes on. I kind of almost like those too. Okay, everyone gets a vote. Yeah, so what do you think?
This is like edgy on the street. That's like edgy with the like some club.
Edgy with some
Are you going for?
Also, for reference, look how short I am. This is like, who am I? I'm like a troll next to you. I'm literally a troll. So the model is from...
What from?
The model's Danish and me is Danish.
No way. Hi.
Surprise. Okay, so we're gonna go get breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm sure you're hungry. You've probably been up all night, so let's go get some food. Okay, let's do that.
All right. 2 adults and then 2
children. They have a separate section that you can only walk if you don't have a ticket. So we're gonna walk on the side. Yeah, so you're on the side without a valid ticket. I'm just joking.
It's getting warm already.
I know, I'm actually warm.
I don't like heights. Imagine like it loses grip and then just goes.
Look at she's like, imagine we just fall.
Imagine we just die.
Imagine we all die right now. Alright, so it looks like we're pretty close. There it is, guys. So me, how do you feel? It's not so bad, huh?
No, it's not so bad.
You guys, it was like 30 francs. We could have walked for free, but you know, we're Americans here. We don't do that. We don't walk. Actually, we do. I've been walking the whole time. So the challenge today, actually, we didn't tell you, but we're gonna put you in that parachute down there.
I'm excited.
You would do it?
Yeah.
It's like America's Next Top Model thing. They're like, okay, you're gonna dive off of this mountain to the photo shoot location. The challenge is you have to do your makeup on the way down.
Exactly. Then land gracefully.
So the situation as it stands now is that we're trying to find a good location, but there's a lot of people hiking on this trail and you can't leave the trail, which I was planning to do. I was trying to like ditch the trail, but you're not allowed to do that. We'll see. Yeah, it's very foresty, not very mountainous. Oh gosh. I mean, the mountains are right there, but it's not the same. So yeah, let's just go up and follow everybody else, right? Just follow the crowd. Do what other people do. Just be a follower. And follow us on Instagram.
I'm following you.
You guys be careful. People often ask me, where does the model change in a situation like this? I'm just out here. Cute. So this is the look. Actually, this looks kind of cute.
Fashion.
Yes. Okay. I really want to show off a lot of the background. I kind of like it with the tennis shoes, low key, but we just leave her shoes here. There's like a random pair of shoes up here.
Oh my god.
How about you're facing me a bit more? Beautiful. Go ahead and fix the hat. Yeah. Can we get the reflector over here? Yeah, okay, there we go. I kind of like this speckled light. I like that it's not perfect. Yeah, it's great. So, funny story, we came all the way here and then we're like, yeah, we're gonna get the mountain views. We have the mountain views, kind of, but it's mostly trees. So we're gonna work our way down. Technically, we are on the mountain, but
It's about the feeling.
yeah, we made it up here. So let's do like more natural, like taking the stuff like that, but be very careful, please. There you go, yes. Show a little bit more of your other leg. Security comes through like, ma'am, you can't. I keep forgetting I'm not in the US. Ma'am, you need a permit to be on this mountain. So like, but the tram took me here. Okay, that's cute actually, that pose. Yeah, something like that. Great job. Point one leg like this. Maybe have a hand on the tree too. Yes, there you go. Great job, love those. Great job. Yeah, let's go to this area. Right here, this is it. We're at the top of the Swiss Alps. Yeah, just like that, stay right there. Can you fix this necklace? Just pull that necklace up. Oof, oh my god, I almost fell into the Swiss Alps. Let's just get like her whole, like taper it off a little bit. Is that too much? Like this.
Now it's fine.
Good? We're like beaming all this unnecessary light into her eyes. Yes, great job. Can you be sitting on the sledge thing? Great, yeah. I want you looking out this way. Beautiful. Lean your body back and then push your hair to the back. Okay, I love this. Just bring this other arm out. Yeah, right there. Very like soft, natural. Have your legs kind of like together. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Bring your body in a bit more. Great, I love that. You're a fast poser. No, you're doing great. That's awesome. Okay, let's do some last one standing right here. It's tricky because the sun is facing this way. So we have to use some backlight. Yeah, actually that's really pretty. Stay right there. Ma'am, you need a permit? I'm literally traumatized. You guys don't understand. Great job. Is the reflector okay on your face? Yeah. Your eyes? Chin down a bit. Can you switch to have this, the ruffle on the side? Guys, we came all the way here. We got to show off the ruffles. Can you have one of you just like walking slowly and then like looking out this way? But be very careful. We don't want the model falling off the mountain or getting hurt for this. It's not worth it for pictures. So we're walking. There you go. Great job. Looking out this way. Kind of like looking back and then looking at the camera. Yeah. Looking back but then holding onto the dress like this. Yeah, great job. Leg out a bit. One leg out. Bring your shoulder in all the way. Why was there like 15 bees? Why was there?
Jesus Christ.
Is it my perfume? Very soft. Yeah. Yes, great. Okay, let's switch up those locations for one last time. Maybe we'll go like over there. Can you stand closer over here? Maybe you could do one kind of like sitting. Yeah, great. Can we bring the hat in? Yeah, we love it with the hat. Stay right there. Beautiful. Great job. Looking here. Okay, we can have you get up now. Any other areas we can shoot here without having to take a hike? I want to do one of you like laying down, but I don't think I'll have you lay down here anywhere.
What about the bench?
The bench? Oh man, I hate benches. To
Yeah?
be honest with you. I have like a personal thing with benches. I'm just making
You don't
stuff
like
up.
benches?
Just had a bad experience.
Silent,
Yeah, I want you to like be doing the motion things, but it's not worth it with the heels. She's gonna trip and then fall into the town below. It's a fast way to get there, and the ambulance will pick you up. So maybe we could do just like a few like fake motion, but again, be super, super careful. I want you to not looking at the camera for any of these. Can you walk towards me almost? Great job. Can you be standing like right here? And we'll do some like leaning in towards my camera. Yes, yes, great job. Let's have the hands up near your hat. That was really pretty. Great job. Again, leaning in a bit, yes, and then leaning back out. Let's do one, you see how you were like fixing the hat with both hands? Let's do something like that. And I want you looking like out this way, right there, yes. We'll do a few more action ones. And
Hello.
these.
Musical.
Hi. For senior pictures, senior in college. Anytime they ask me what I'm doing, I'm like, senior pictures. Instagram. She's an influencer. These are for her Instagram. Imagine. People do this, you guys.
Yeah,
for their
yeah, that's
Instagram.
true.
I wanted to try to get the mountains, but it seems like there's a patch of sunlight, if you guys noticed right here. Do you see that? So I'm trying to like maneuver her in a way where it shows the mountains. Could you maybe be standing right here? You see that patch of sunlight right here? But then if you move more this way, facing this, but then the back, let me see. Let's do the walking up to my lens over here and let's see how it looks different. Yes, actually this looks much better. Even closer. And then turn to the side, yes. Great job. More shoulder, bring your shoulder in a bit more. Are you okay? You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bring this shoulder in. Not this way, yes.
Okay.
And looking out this way towards the mountain, yes. Great job. Bring your shoulder in this way, yes. Okay, I think we got it. Woo. All right, guys, so that's the end of the photo shoot. We did it!
Yay!
And we didn't fall off the mountain.
Not yet.
That's true, we're still on the mountain. That could very well happen, hopefully it won't. Does everyone want to say out their Instagrams and stuff?
I'm Lynn.Laura.
And I'm Where Is Me? And me is an M-I-E.
I'm Yasso.Punjin.
Okay, that's the team today. You guys did amazing. Thank you guys so much for coming all the way up here. You guys did awesome. Guys, check out their Instagrams down below. Let us know what you think of the photos and we'll see you guys later because we're gonna go get some lunch or maybe just go down the tram and survive the tram. So, all right. Bye.